Hello, welcome to Life in Pig Row, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest oven baked hash browns. So for oven baked hash browns you will need 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, some salt and pepper. So you start with your potato, you get yourself a box grater, and it's literally, you don't need to take the skin off because that adds to the hash brown, and also it's a lazy hash brown. You're going to do the same to the onion as well. Now with the onion you definitely have to peel it before you grate it. And again, I hope you're not susceptible to tears. Now that's everything grated. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute, but it's really wet, so I've got to get all the juice out of it. Now that's going to take me a long time using my hand, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to put it in a cloth and I'm going to wind it around until the juice comes out. This is what the wet mix looks like. So it's in a towel now, and you can see it's already starting to seep out, and it's a matter of twisting it. Can you see? That's how much juice is in your potato, and it's all coming out. Now I've also put the garlic in here purely because as I'm squeezing it, I'm hoping the garlic's going all over the potato flavour wise. So here's the mix after the squeezing, and you can tell straight away the difference. It's light and fluffy. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 egg and salt and pepper to this. So here's my pepper, which I've just done in the mortar and pestle. Quite a bit of it. If you want the taste, I'm looking for about a teaspoon. Then you want to add salt. Again, teaspoon, you want flavour. And then finally, just 1 free-range egg. This is to bind the liquid. So now this will bind the hash browns together. So it's about getting your hands in now. Looking forward to that one. Ooh, so nice. And next, you have to go for grease baking tray for this to go onto. You need a cookie cutter. You put it on the tray, and then I'm going to show you how to make your hash browns. So here's our mix, and here's our cookie cutter, and it's literally get hold of the mix and put it in to the cookie cutter. It's the only chefy bit about this, but it gives you nice round hash browns like so. Now we're going to repeat that across the tray. We have half a dozen hash browns, about 1 inch thick, ready to go in the oven. They're going to go in an oven at 200 Celsius for 15 minutes, and you're going to flip them halfway through. So this is the hash browns just after flipping halfway through the cooking. So here we have the finished hash browns. I add a little bit of butter after 15 minutes if they're not cooking, just to make sure they cook all the way through, and leave them for another 10 minutes, just flipping them every now and again. So in half an hour you can have these wonderful hash browns. That's it from Life in Pig Row. If you enjoy what we do every Saturday, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next Saturday, bye bye.